day to tee up the final. Who will be there at the end? The atmosphere, the sense of expectation, fevered, frenetic. This is the one fixture they all wanted to see, and every day has only fanned the flames of expectation. Players stand shoulder to shoulder in singing the national anthems. Off we go then. Who do you think this turns on, Jim?
I would say the Croatian Dario Srna. He's been captain material for a number of years now. Very neat and tidy in all he does. And for a fullback getting forward, he can use his wing skills of old to carve out an opening.
Yeah, I'm inclined to agree. And it's Pogba. Giroud. Chorluka. Demonstrating fabulous determination. He just will not be beaten. Kovacic. Matuidi. Forward it goes. And it's Giroud. Griezmann. Giroud. And he's shown him a clean pair of heels. Goal! France! And France are in front!
Giroud showed real composure then. I mean, how often do you see a player do everything right until he gets into the box, only to completely kind of fluff the finish? Not him.
Big occasion, big goal, crucial lead. France making the ideal start. It is something to build on.
What a good start to the game. I think their play has been fast and inventive, and this is a fine example of early intent. They've begun as they mean to go on, and another goal is on the cards.
Koscielny positions himself well and cuts it out. Modric. The only goal to give them a 1-0 lead. Srna, and it's Patel. Vida. Just got good distance on that. Oh, good interception. Matuidi. Evra is the route one option. Away from immediate danger. Giroud. Belts one. That will sail harmlessly past.
That's a pretty powerful effort because he really got hold of that one, but he's not going to trouble the keeper from there.
Poorly directed kick from the keeper, he's given it away. Griezmann. Goal kick. No, I stand corrected, it's a corner. Mandzukic. The ball through. Now it's Perisic. It's Mandzukic. Goes for it! Dispatched clinically.
Well, we're all back to square one, but I hope this game opens up from here. It looks as if it could happen.
Given such an open invitation, he was always going to shoot.
Look, you can only exploit the space if the pass is good enough, and in that instance, it was instinctive and quick, and it did the damage.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Yeah, we thought that this one would be close between two strong sides like this, and I think that just goes to prove it.
It will be a throw-in. Now it's Mandzukic. Koscielny. It's come loose. Martial got into a good position, but he may need to hold things up. Managed to get it away. Now it's Griezmann, and it's Matuidi. Luka. Perisic. Griezmann. Giroud has been given offside. Luka. Griezmann! With that, the half-time whistle goes. It's been a decent 45 minutes. Competitive, certainly, and a goal each. Second half then, just getting going. Rakitic. Modric. And it's Giroud. Perisic. Modric. Rakitic. Adele. For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. Whistle's gone, that's foul. It's a long forward pass. Badel. Mandzukic. Kovacic. Koscielny looking for options. Now it's Martial. Martial looking to penetrate opposition lines. What a rocket! That is special! About as smooth as it gets! And they get themselves in front! What a clean hit! No one gets in the way of that.
Is it just me, or did he make that look very, very easy? That was terrific skill and composure from him. He finished with such aplomb.
France take the lead.
It's always a good time to register and lay down an early marker in the second half. They clearly had exactly that in mind and have gone about their business with absolutely the right commitment.
Promising move that. Good inroads into enemy territory, but no joy. And it's Mandzukic. Badel. Kovacic. It's a loose ball. Tries a through ball. Martini knocks it towards the front. Martial well down the left. Now, what are his options? Griezmann tries one!
Griezmann would have known he needed to generate more power behind that, but he just lacked the precision anyway.
Has gone out. Now the pass. And it's Martial. Schöner. Badel. Looking to hit the front line. And he's cut it out. Rafael Varane. They've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Mandzukic. And out to safety. Laid out to the right. It's a bit of penetration to go with all this possession. Chorluka. And it's Giroud. Just a few more moments for them to hang on. Martial, can he find a finish now? Great effort, beautifully taken.
And he knew he had to get his effort away before being closed down, but he could have sacrificed a little power then for a bit more accuracy.
Well, he would surely have scored there more times than not. Evra gathers from the goal kick. Schöner.
Well, time is running out. They need to get the ball upfield.
Schöner. Determined run, but equally determined piece of defending. Evra puts it away. Oh, well intercepted. Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. France have sealed their place in the final and their loyal support is in ecstasy. They head to the big day, genuinely expecting to win it. You look back on the game then, Jim.
Yeah, all I can add is that they did the necessary